my name is Pablo Soto. I'm with General Propeller Company. I'm going to be talking to you today about the importance of servicing and maintaining the shafts on your vessel. Drive shafts are a key part of the performance and reliability of your boat, and because of this, we highly recommend having your shafts inspected regularly and replace them when necessary. If your shafts are not straight, not only you will get unwanted vibration, but it can also be damaging to other components such as your seals, bearing, transmission, engine mount, and even the hull itself. Some of the reasons you should have your shaft inspected would be:
anytime you hit something causing damage to your propeller strut or rudders, when repowering your vessel to ensure that the shafts will meet the appropriate safety rating with your new engine or engines, when you're trying to track down vibration issues, anytime you see signs of electrolysis, of high corrosion or other underwater gear, when your packing box or seal is leaking. At General Propeller, some of the things we look for when inspecting shafts are the straightness of the shaft. Is there any wear from bearings? If so, how much? Cracks using a dye penetrant. Signs of pitting or corrosion that could lead to failure. Damage on the taper, keyways, and thread. Damage of the coupling, keyway, pilot ring, and ensure the bore has a proper fit to the shaft. We then utilize this information to determine if the shafts should be reconditioned or replaced. Oftentimes, we can recondition and straighten your existing shaft, but that's not always the case. If you end up needing to replace your shaft, don't worry, we have you covered. General Propeller is one of the leading boat shaft manufacturers in the US. We are OEM supplier to numerous boat builders, including Sea Ray, Hunter, Correct Craft, Nautique, Bertram, and Catalina. All machining is performed in-house on CNC lathes to exacting tolerances. Every shaft is inspected for straightness, diameter, and out-of-round tolerances per ABYC standards. We have an extensive inventory of shafting material in stock from 3/4 of an inch to 4 inches in Aqualoy 17, 19, and Aqualoy 22. Our shafts are custom made for your boat with a lightning-fast turnaround time. Most shafts are ready to ship in 24 to 48 hours. You can get started by visiting our website, generalpropeller.com, and we will get the conversation started to get a custom shaft or shafts to you as quickly as possible.